Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are making waakye stew. So these are my ingredients. I've got my meat here. So I'm using beef and goat meat together. So that is washed and clean here, and I'll be using to season my meat. I'm going to use 1 big onion, half garlic, ginger, and 1 star anise that goes in. And in here I've got aniseeds and cloves blend together with some fennel seeds. I usually blend them and keep them so that it makes my cooking easy. So I just sprinkle 2 tablespoons on my meat, and in this one is my green seasoning. It's just some green stuffs, and I've blended them. So I'm gonna use a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon. So that's it. I've got some Italian seasoning for the meat. I'm using each about this is rosemary. I'm going to use about half a tablespoon each, and oregano. I'm going to fry the meat with the onions. Then I will not throw that onion away. That's what I blend to do my stew with. So that's why I've cut them into big chunks so it doesn't disappear when it's cooking. So I'm using 4 habaneros. These ones, they are hot, but I've tried this one, they are not that bad. So if you like your stew to be spicy like I do, I am taking 4. So it's like 1 tomato into 1 chili. That's how I'm doing it. Let's wait for my oil to be hot. I have add rosemary. I was gonna show you and it just dropped into it. So it's just rosemary to give my oil flavor. And remember, I told you I'm going to fry the meat with oil, with some onions. So I'm just dropping them in here. They are big because I don't want them to get lost. I want to be able to pick them up. I don't know if I use the right. going to add some of the stock from the meat into the stew to give it a taste. I'll leave some because I like to use it for my jollof rice as well, so I'm adding like of the stock, and I'll leave the rest for my jollof rice. So at this stage, I'm going to leave it to cook for another maybe 20 minutes. Then I'll add in my fish. I did when I turned the camera off when it was cooking, I did fried some fish, so I'll add in some fish and eggs, seasoning into it, my onga and the rest, just to spice my onga. Okay, let's give it a stir. Whilst because I don't want it to be too thick, I've drained the liquid out of it, so that's why I put it in here. I've drained all the liquid out, the oil that is on it, because there's too much oil in this stew anyway that I'll scoop some out for my gari when I want to eat gari. That's what I use sometimes because it's there and it's quick. This is how I do my waakye stew. If you have some shrimp powder, you can add some to it, and that gives it a very nice taste. I fried some fish, so I'm tired, so I can't even speak. So now I've added the fish, and let's just put our eggs in. And our stew is done. It has, at this stage, the cooking time has been going on for about at least an hour or more. So, my beautiful people, this is how I make my waakye stew. Very nice, very tasty. Okay. If you're an old friend, God bless you for staying. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. And stay blessed. Keep safe. Bye.